Hello guys, so today we have this new vlogging camera. Of course, from Canon, we have the Canon ano ba tawag to? PowerShot V10. Nakakalimutan pa eh. This is the new PowerShot V10. It's designed for vlogging and for live streamer or content creator. Let's see. So this camera is now available here in AAB World. So if you want to check the price and availability, you can check to our website www.abworld.com. But on this vlog, guys, we will try to unbox this new camera and let's check the specs also. So go without further ado, let's start unbox this camera. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorials. So let's go. Okay, guys, so this is the box of the new Canon PowerShot V10. So let's start now, guys. Again, this box is included with a pouch, a small rig cage, and yeah, dead cat. So let's try now to unbox, guys. Okay, so this is the box. You have a small rig. Actually, it's combined with a small rig, and other small rig. And you have this camera. So the camera itself, it's very small. And so let's start first with the accessories. So we have you here the silicone lens cap for Canon PowerShot. So they tie up with uh, a small rig. So I will not unbox this one. And sealed. Again, you have a 40 wind screen for Canon PowerShot V10, a pouch, and of course your cage. Yeah. So I keep aside this one. Maybe one day we're gonna use this one, and we have only a quick unbox on this. So this is the camera. Okay, box. You have your manuals. It's very important to read the manuals, guys. Okay. Next is the camera. Okay. So this is the camera. Okay. So I don't know what is this, but let's check. Battery, maybe? No. It's USB-C to USB cable. USB-C to USB-C. Okay. We're gonna you need to open and you have your I think yeah, a Canon uh lace, I think, hand lace. Yeah, so this is what inside the box. And let's check the camera. Okay. I'm excited to check the camera. They said this it's small, so I can see it because it's more smaller than the normal uh, mobile or iPhone. This is our iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the camera, guys. So I'm so excited to check the camera. So wow, so this is the camera. It's very compact and wow. So when you make your camera like this, it become 16 by 9. When you make your camera on this side, it will be um, vertical. So it's become vertical mode. So automatic. When you shoot like this, it's landscape mode, and this is vertical mode. You have your microphone. Okay, this is your stand, and voila, this is more bigger than smaller than the, even if you flip the screen, still smaller than the iPhone 13 Pro Max or 14 and a smartphone. On the side, you have USB-C connection. You have your menu dialed here. Okay, so power buttons. I think this is memory card, I believe. Yeah, you have your micro SD memory card. And what else? Microphone input 3.5 and HDMI micro. You have quarter-inch tripod mount, and yeah, it's very pocket, and yeah, this is a very good camera, guys. I love this camera. So again, this is our new Canon PowerShot V10. So one day when we have a demo unit, we will try and I'll show you the quality of this camera. This is the Canon PowerShot V10 vlog camera. It's good for vlogging and live streaming with 4K up to 30 frames, 19mm equivalent wide-angle lens with 460,000 dot for touchscreen LCD, vertical capture capable with 20.9 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, Full HD up to 60 frames, webcam compatible with UVC support, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity with built-in 30 degrees stand. You have already image stabilization, built-in microphone, wireless connectivity, mobile app compatible with Android and iOS app named Canon Camera Connect with built-in battery 3.6 VDC or 1200 milliampere battery charge time for 2 hours. With focal length 6.6 millimeter, equivalent for 35 is 18 or 19 millimeter at 16 by 9 Full HD. Maximum aperture is f2.8. Minimum focus is 2.0 or 5 cm with built-in ND filters and digital zoom for 3 times. Again, the built-in ND filters is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, or 1.8, 2, 4, or 8, or 1 to 3 stop. 1, 2, and 3 stop. So this is the new Canon PowerShot V10 vlog camera. So this camera is perfect for vloggers and live streamers. Okay. And that's it for today, guys. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of this new Canon V10 PowerShot V10, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, if you want to check all the Canon cameras and lenses available in our website, just check, guys. Again, www.abworld.com. Again, you can see the size of this camera, guys. When you fold, see, this is the size. So it's too small and even more smaller than the iPhone. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Again, flex time. I want to flex PPK 2.0 na si Robert Palabo FW, si Brian punta na nandun, si Julius na nagkakape, at si Atilay na nandito sa aking likod. So, thank you and mabuhay.